payment channels as tools of financial inclusion, growth, and accelerated economic development is very apt, as it was chosen to address the imperative of value addition and the links that catalyze SMEs and other economic activities to attain the much-needed price stability. The management of the Central Bank of Nigeria, under the leadership of Mr. Oyelami Kadusu, is committed to stimulating productivity and financial inclusiveness, as well as delivering on its core mandate of monetary and price stability. This has resulted in significant increase of inflow in foreign investment, positive trade balances, and quantum leap in financial inclusion rate in recent times. Over the past 22 months, the bank has, among others, rolled out the following functional policies to strengthen the financial system. Exchange rate unification. This is to minimize arbitrage opportunities and reduce volatility in the foreign exchange market. Over $7 billion of verified backlog of Forex forwards have also been cleared. The launch of the Nigerian Forex Exchange Code. The code is a set of principles of good practices in the Nigerian foreign exchange market based on 6 pillars: ethics, governance, execution, information sharing, risk management and compliance, for confirmation and settlement processes. Bank recapitalization to strengthen the resilience and global competitiveness of the banking sector, positioning it to support the $1 trillion economy. The launch of the non-resident BVN, the RBVN, to connect Nigerians abroad with home banking. As a means of protecting bank customers and ensuring that they are not shortchanged, the CBN launched the Unified Complaints Tracking System, aimed at streamlining and improving the management of consumer complaints against financial institutions. The system, alongside a USSD code *959# for verifying licensed institutions, enhances transparency and consumer protection in the Nigerian financial sector. The objective of this engagement, therefore, is to sensitize the public on how the bank's policies and innovations can enhance their lives and livelihood and contribute to the growth and development of the Nigerian economy. Before I conclude my remarks, I have a word on our currency, the Naira. The CBN will continue to ensure availability of clean currency. We, however, urge you to see the Naira as a critical symbol of our national identity. Respect and keep it clean. Do not hawk, mutilate, counterfeit, or hurt the Naira. Our team will be on hand to take you through presentation.
What do we regulate? We regulate 2 institutions called microfinance banks. And one of the purpose of microfinance banks is to provide financial services to low-income individuals, small scale. Market women, are we here? Market women, are we here? Students, are we here? Some of us, you want to open an account, they will say you have to bring this, you have to bring that, you have to ensure that you have deposit of minimum deposit of 50,000, and what you have is 5,000, 2,000. So with microfinance banks, you can open an account, and microfinance banks, they are located everywhere within your vicinity. Do you get it? And that is why we are telling you this. We also supervise primary mortgage bank. This primary mortgage bank provide mortgage facilities and other things to individuals. Many of us, we won't build house. I won't get my house. How do I get it? Go walk into any of these micro or primary mortgage bank, and they will tell you what to do. Little, kobo, you own a house. Do you get it? And that is why we are here, to create more awareness. Next slide, please. Our mandate and financial stability. Like I said, other financial institutions, one of the things we do is to ensure safe and sound. Your money, we want to ensure, say, your money is safe anywhere you keep it. Don't keep your money under the bed. Don't dig hole and put your money. Don't worry, put your money in any of the microfinance bank, in any of primary mortgage bank, and you will be rest assured that anytime you need your money, it's still there. And that is why we are here. So these are some of the things we are doing. Operational soundness. We ensure say your money, the bank where you put your money is safe, and that is why we do what we call examination. We supervise them. We ensure say the depositors' funds is safe. You fit put your money for bank, go home, sleep, come back the next day, the money still there.
The next slide is talking about regulatory sandbox. One thing I want you to please pay attention here, because this is part of central bank's effort to make sure that that payment system I said that facilitates movement of money and so on is enhanced. So the sandbox, if you see that picture, you will see something like a sand. If we go to nursery school, you go see where children are allowed to play inside the sand. Usually that sand has been removed, debris, very dangerous things have been removed, like bottles, nails, things like that. They've been removed from the sand and then they pour it there so that children can play. In real life, central bank also set up something like this. Why do we do it? Because we realize that the banking business or the financial system is very, very difficult for many people to understand, so that we can allow others to get to understand the financial system and to participate in it. We brought out a sandbox like this. What is a sandbox? It's a place where you can experiment. So if you have ideas that is over and beyond what we normally are doing now, you can come to central bank and you experiment with it. I will explain how the process works. Let me give you an example. You know that, let's say 10, 12 years ago, this thing about cryptocurrency is not really a known thing, is it? It's not. But that development is now becoming even bigger than the mainstream financial system. So before we had this sandbox arrangement, generally what central bank would say is, this thing is not permitted, so don't do it. But now with the sandbox arrangement, you can approach central bank, and central bank also, we do adverts on the newspapers for people to send in their applications. And then you tell central bank, I have something unique that is not known in the financial system.